Hello, we're MIT Motorsports. We're a group of MIT undergrads who every year design, analyze, build, and then eventually compete an electric Formula race car. And we take it to Lincoln, Nebraska. And there we compete with 40 other teams internationally, both in static events and dynamic events. So every year we begin by sitting down and kind of deciding how we want to design our car, looking at goals and looking at what we want our new car to be and how we want it to be better than our last car. We take these goals and we start designing. We break up into sub-teams, and each sub-team kind of starts from the baseline of what we did last year and starts designing their next year's subsystem.
There's a lot of static events where it's more about what we did over the course of the year, how we would sell this in a real-world scenario. We then go from trying to sell the car and talk about how we designed it to actual dynamic events.
Our car is a battery electric vehicle that's powered off of a 300-volt battery and drives dual rear motors. The whole system is controlled by a proprietary vehicle computer, along with a whole host of accessories like a custom dash and cam mode.
This year I've been working with my sub-team to design a component that allows the driver to input throttle or brake position, and the car can then accelerate or stop accordingly.
I, as an electrical engineer, work very closely with mechanical engineers, which is not something that I get to experience in a classroom setting. I really feel that all my experiences on race car are very valuable and have generally been very applicable to work in the industry.
I've talked to so many different people over my years here, and they get the basics from the P-sets, they understand the core concepts, but they never really get the chance to apply what they've learned. All of these situations that can cause failure of your part. But until you've actually experienced it firsthand in a working system, like in our car, you don't quite understand what can result from what you design.
One thing I love about the team is that we take all the things that we learn in class and we're able to put it and design subsystems and objects that go into a race car, something that all the members are very passionate about. So it kind of steps beyond what we learn in the classroom.